everyone, my name is Berehatina Salihah with student number 2261-21202. So, in this video, I want to review article. The title of article is The Effectiveness of Instagram Vlog in Teaching Speaking Achievement. The author of this article is Quratul Aini as English teacher MI Asafianiyah Tuban. So, I want to review the point is 1. Introduction, method, result and analysis, discussion, and level presented. So, let's watching. So, the first point is introduction. There is research territory. Speaking is essential but challenging for EVL learners. Therefore, innovative teaching methods and instructional media are increasingly important in teaching speaking skills. So, research gap, I found that first, previous studies show that social media can support language learning. The second is, however, research on Instagram-based vlogging for improving English speaking skills is still limited. The third is, most speaking activities remain classroom-based, offering limited opportunities for practice outside the classroom. The next point is purpose of the study. I found that this study aims to investigate the effectiveness of Instagram as a learning medium, particularly through vlog objective in improving student English speaking skills. It also seeks to explore student engagement and confidence when using Instagram for speaking practice. So, the next point is novelty. This study integrates Instagram vlogging as an out-of-class speaking practice in English language learning. It highlights Instagram as an innovative instructional medium that combines speaking practice, self-reflection, and peer feedback. So the next I review about point of method. There is research design. This study used a quantitative research method. The research design was pre-experimental, specifically one group pretest, post-test design. And then I found the participants were one class of students. Method is data collection technique. A speaking test was used as the research instrument, and the test was conducted before and after the Instagram-based treatment to measure students' improvement. So the next point is data analysis technique. Students' pre-test and post-test scores were compared. The data were analyzed using IBM SPSS version 20, and an independent sample t-test was used to determine the significance of the result. So the next I review about results and analysis. So the first is results. The study involved 25 students. Student speaking ability was measured using an oral pretest and post-test. Pretest total score is 1,430, and then post-test total score is 1,655. And overall student speaking scores increased after the treatment using Instagram as a learning medium. And then about statistical results, data were analyzed using paired sample t-test in IBM SPSS 20. T-count 8,332, T-table 1,708, significance level 0.05. Since T-count bigger than T-table, the result is statistically significant. Nah, I analyzed the comparison between pre-test and post-test scores shows a significant improvement in student speaking ability. This indicates that the use of Instagram as a teaching medium positively affects students' speaking performance. Therefore, the null hypothesis was rejected and the alternative hypothesis was accepted. Nah, the next point is discussion. So the first is comparison with previous studies. The finding align with previous studies showing that social media, particularly Instagram, effectively supporting students' speaking practice and performance. So the next is unique findings. This study shows that Instagram-based activities encourage more confident and meaningful speaking practice, even for students with low initial ability. Now, what is new in this study? So the first is the study focused on Instagram as a structured instructional medium, not merely as a social platform. So second is Instagram is used to extend speaking practice beyond classroom limitation. And the last is the study provides evidence that simple social media integration can significantly improve speaking skills in elementary level EFL learners. Nah, the last point is level-based interpretation. So the first is level 1 is general assumption. Students' speaking ability improve when technology-based media are used in learning. And level 2 is specific and outstanding finding. There are Instagram-based activities significantly improve students' speaking score after treatment, and then the platform helped students with low initial proficiency become more active in speaking. So the next level is level 3, how and why. Instagram allows repeated speaking practice, exposure, and feedback, which enhance fluency and confidence. Familiar and enjoyable media reduce students' anxiety, making them more willing to speak English, and then learning becomes more student-centered, increasing motivation and participation. That is a review about this article. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.